ভিডিওটিতে যদি এখনো লাইক না দিয়ে থাকেন তাহলে এখনই দিয়ে দিন একটি লাইক, এবং আপনি যদি আমাদের চ্যানেলে নতুন হয়ে থাকেন তাহলে চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনটিতে ক্লিক করে নোটিফিকেশন করে দিন অন। First of all, remove background from your photo. If you don't know how to remove background from your photo with just one click, you can watch my video, link in the description box. You can easily remove background from your photo in just one click, like this. Then we need this background and your Instagram screenshot. Now open Picsart apps, then click plus icon, then select all photos, then select your background, link in the description box. Now select effects, then select blur option, then blur on, then select this option. Now invert, then blur this man, okay. Now click right button, then click again right button, then select tools, select adjust, then select saturation, increase 100, then click clarity, increase 40, 50. We need to decrease stamp, then shadow -10, highlights -20, then click right button, then select add photo, then select your screenshot, then click add one. Now crop this, okay. Now increase this. Now follow my instruction carefully. Now select effects, then select color option, then select invert, then select OK. Now select blend option and select screen, select adjust, then saturation +32, clarity 100, temp -90-22, highlights -15. Now brightness -10-11. Now click OK, again OK, then click add photo. Now select your photo without background, select add, then okay, select adjust, Now select saturation, increase clarity, -90, then temp -25, shadow -19, then brightness -9 to 10, then click OK. Now click OK again. Now select draw option, then draw, then click this and size 1, set 1, then here. For this your photo will be more resolution. Then select this, then select this option, then merge. Okay. Then select draw option, then draw, then select three dot button, save image. Your photo is being saved. If you really enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel.